Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to create a Thingsup account and getting started with it. So go to platform.thingsup.io and click create new account. You need to enter your email, your name and password and give sign up. Once it is done, you need to verify your account. You will get an email from Thingsup. Go to your email. Open the mail from Thingsup and click confirm your email address. Once it is done, you can log in to your Thingsup with your email ID and password. Before proceeding, you need to make sure you have enough credits in the billing section. So, in order to buy credits, you need to fill the billing information in the account settings. Once it is done, now you can go to the billing section and in the plans you can browse for various plans to buy credits. Click on any plan and click pay now and buy the credits. Once you have paid, the credits will be reflected in your billing section. You can also download the payment invoice. Now you can connect various MQTT devices, you can send information to databases and retrieve from databases and much more.